Oh my. Oh my gosh! I can't believe you did that! Oh, wait, the microphones are on. Hello, everyone! Welcome back to the Easy English Lounge. This is the place where learning English is simple, relaxed, and, well, very fun today. I'm Lily.
I am still laughing, Lily. Haha! Hi to all our amazing friends around the world. I am Max. Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. How are you feeling today, Lily?
I am doing wonderful. I have a huge smile on my face because, well, I am drinking my favorite coffee and I get to talk with you. I love our podcast.
Me too. And I know our listeners love it too. But Lily, I have to confess something. I had a very funny but very embarrassing weekend. It involves food, a restaurant, and a big English mistake.
Wait, another embarrassing Max story? Oh, I am so ready for this. But first, let's ask our friends for a quick favor.
Right. If you want to improve your English with us, please click that subscribe button and give this video a like. It really helps us.
Yes, it is like giving us a digital high five. Okay, Max, I am ready. Tell us your restaurant story. What happened?
So on Saturday, I went to a nice new restaurant. I was very hungry. The waiter came to my table and I wanted to order soup, hot, delicious tomato soup.
Tomato soup sounds perfect. So, what is the problem?
Well, my pronunciation was bad. I looked at the waiter and said, I am very hungry. I want a bowl of soap, please.
Soap? Max, you ordered a bowl of soap? Like the thing you use to wash your hands?
Yes. The waiter looked at me with big eyes. He said, Sir, we don't sell soap here. I felt so silly. Soup and soap, they sound so similar.
Oh, Max, that is a classic mistake. Let's teach our friends right now. Everyone, listen carefully. The food you eat is soup, pronounced soup, like moon.
And the thing you wash with is S-O-A-P, pronounced soap, like boat. Please do not eat soap.
Exactly. But Max, let's talk about the words you used to order. You said, I want a bowl of soup. That is okay, but it is not very polite.
Really? I want is bad?
It's not bad, but it sounds a bit like a boss giving an order. In English, we like to be very soft and polite at restaurants. Instead of I want, we use the magic phrase, I would like.
I would like. So I should say, I would like the tomato soup, please.
Yes, that is perfect. Or you can use another great question. Could I have? Could I have the tomato soup, please?
Wow, could I have? That sounds very natural. It sounds like a native speaker.
It really does. Try it next time, Max. Could I have a coffee? Or I would like a sandwich. It makes the waiter smile.
Okay, Lily. But what happens if they bring the wrong food? Last month I ordered chicken, but the waiter brought me fish.
Oh no, what did you do?
I was too shy to speak English, so I just ate the fish. And I don't even like fish.
Max, you ate the fish? You don't have to do that. If there is a mistake, you can fix it very easily.
How? I don't want to make the waiter angry.
Waiters don't get angry if you are polite. If they bring the wrong food, just smile and use this polite bridge. Excuse me, but...
Excuse me, but... Okay, what next?
Excuse me, but I think there is a mistake. I ordered the chicken.
Wow. Excuse me, but I think there is a mistake. I ordered the chicken. That is not scary at all.
Exactly. You don't say, you are wrong. You say, I think there is a mistake. It is soft and friendly. The waiter will say, I am so sorry, and bring your chicken.
That is so helpful, Lily. No more eating fish for me. But wait, Lily, my embarrassing weekend did not stop there.
Oh no, there is more? What happened next?
Well, I finished my food. It was delicious. I was ready to go home, so I looked at the waiter, raised my hand, and shouted, "Excuse me, give me the money."
Give me the money? Max, you sounded like a bank robber.
I know. The whole restaurant looked at me. I wanted to say that I wanted to pay for my food, but my brain just stopped working.
Oh, poor Max. The waiter must have been so confused.
He was. He said, "Sir, I just work here. I don't have any money."
Okay, we definitely need to help our listeners avoid this. When you finish your meal and want to pay, never say, give me the money.
Yes, please learn from my terrible mistake. What is the polite way to say it, Lily?
It is very simple. If you are in the United States, you can use the word check. You say, could I get the check, please?
Could I get the check, please?
Exactly. And in the UK or other places, they usually say bill. So you can ask, can I have the bill, please?
Can I have the bill, please? Wow, that sounds much safer than a bank robbery.
Yes, it does. And if you want to use your credit card, you can simply ask, can I pay by card?
Can I pay by card? That is super useful. Okay, let's do a quick recap for our friends listening.
Number 1, don't order soap. Order SOUP, soup.
Number 2, don't say I want. Use polite phrases like I would like or could I have.
Number 3, if there is a problem, smile and say, excuse me, but I think there is a mistake.
And number 4, don't ask for the money. Say, could I get the check, please?
Perfect. And now, friends, it is time for our special segment. It is time to listen and repeat.
Yes, this is how you really improve your spoken English. I will say our magic phrases slowly. I want you to listen and then say them out loud with me. Don't be shy.
Ready? Let's go.
Phrase number 1. I would like the tomato soup, please. I would like the tomato soup, please. Phrase number 2. Could I have a coffee, please? Could I have a coffee, please? Phrase number 3. Excuse me, but I think there is a mistake. Excuse me, but I think there is a mistake. And the last one. Could I get the check, please? Could I get the check, please?
Wow, great job, everyone. You sound amazing. English is just a tool to communicate. Don't worry about being perfect. Just be polite and confident.
You guys are doing great. Now, we have a question for you to answer in the comments.
Yes, we want to know, what is your favorite food to order at a restaurant? Write it in the comments below. Use the magic phrase. Write, I would like.
I will read all the comments. I hope someone writes, I would like a bowl of soap.
Oh, Max, stop it. Thank you all for joining us today at the Easy English Lounge.
If you love this lesson, hit subscribe and share it with a friend. We will see you next time.
Bye, everyone. Keep smiling and keep practicing.
Bye-bye.